Hello, good people. What's going on? Good afternoon from Dhaka, Bangladesh. 3:30 here. Today I'm about to review only one fragrance. I want to do one review because I want you to watch this one. If I do series of reviews, what happens? Sometimes people skip. So my goal here today is to review this one, and it's a Roja Perfumes. It's the Vetiver Parfum Cologne version, and this is big thanks to Ali bhai, who lent it to me for reviewing and testing. So I was gonna take a little bit longer time, but I'm like, no, I'm feeling, let's do this. I know more or less what I wanted to know. So Roja, as you can see behind me, I owned previously two, okay, Enigma and then Elysium. Those are two of my favorites. Vetiver is also gonna be likely going towards that direction, but we'll talk about performance. Is it worth the money, or uh, like, if you should be looking at this one, because people compare this with Tom Ford Grey Vetiver, as well as in my recent Vetiver list, this one came just behind my favorite Nishan Sultan Vetiver. This is number one. This is perhaps my best fragrance at this moment, one of them anyway. Really lovely fragrance. Vetiver is currently my favorite note. So I wanna start with one note. Rojada basically is a very expensive, luxurious house. Okay, so when they do fragrances, I always watch reviews, nose breakdown. I know at this current moment it's out of my league. Of course, I can buy them, but I buy fragrances to review, so I need more content. So I don't want to buy one or two fragrances per month. Okay, it does not make sense in my journey, but I can see that I will definitely love to review because I have respect for this guy and I smell quality in their perfumes. So my scent of the day, I received this. I'm gonna review this soon. This is Blue Stratus. I think Stratus or Stratus, Blue Stratus. Yes. So this is a classic perfume. I wanted to own this, and I just received it today. I'm just enjoying it immensely. It actually is a very classic fougere sort of a fragrance with aquatic touch. Amazing fragrance, amazing. Okay, I cannot express how much I love this. This is gonna be reviewed. I'm gonna get very positive reviews. Inexpensive gem. So let's hit this. Okay, let's hit the review after 2 minutes of talk. This is the packaging. Parfum Cologne. They also have EDP concentration. I think perfume as well. Typical of their box. At the back in the sticker, it will say the name. Otherwise, in front doesn't say, and his Roja signature. So here you will not find ways to open it. So on the bottom there's a hole. So you press it, the thing appears. I have to be very careful. This one has beautiful green color bottle with golden combination. Same bottle design as the rest. Really like the presentation, simple and elegant. Okay, and expensive. Okay, so I like the packaging, and look at that bottle. This bottle is actually the prettiest I think so far I have seen. Enigma is nice, Elysium is nice, but the green, the jade color looks very pretty. And the Vetiver also, you'll notice, Creed also does the same thing with the Vetiver. They give a nice green tinge. They also have the green color in the Vetiver. So how is that? How's this perfume? Bottle, I think kick-ass, heavy glass base, good quality there. Bottom you find a sticker, signature, cap, heavy cap, metallic golden. This one does not have a Swarovski stone. More premium bottles they have. This one does not click onto place, but sort of like this has this nice feel, but I don't feel secure with my, at least Elysium is very loose. So be careful. So let's spray this and talk about it. If you buy the tester, you'll get only a plastic cap instead of this cap, and the bottle only. Spray is okay. Okay, it kind of gives sort of a mist like a cologne, so not the best sprayer I would say. So this opening is just lovely. It's definitely high class. I absolutely enjoy the opening. It's just some lemon, and at the same time there's some grassy vetiver and a little bit of peppery kick. Perhaps it's coming from a pepper note or something. I did not look at the notes breakdown, but very sophisticated, very beautiful, lovey-dovey opening. It is actually better opening than Grey Vetiver by Tom Ford. So the opening is very refreshing, summer friendly. Anybody is built to love. Okay, you will easily love the lemon in this. Okay, I detect some lemon. Remind me sort of kind of like Dior Rouge Sauvage EDT, but Dior Rouge Sauvage has rosemary. This one doesn't have that. So it's kind of like a almost spicy, not raw, not like a raw vetiver, like very grassy, very green. It's almost like a very high class designer like, and very soothing, smooth opening. So it's very slick. I like that. And even if you do not like vetiver, you're gonna enjoy the opening of this. So this fragrance turns out to be proper vetiver as time passes, but never becomes a daring fragrance in my opinion. Soothing, kind of like a green mild. What else is the base? I don't remember what is the base, but it's kind of like the grass is actually very authentic sort of a grass note. Many vetiver very grassy notes. Sometimes they fail to deliver. I think Roja Dove does. But I'm really excited to see what they did in the more higher concentration EDP or parfum if they have one. I think that one's gonna be much more richer and thicker. This one, the longevity is 4 to 5 hours on me. I think out of the three that I tested so far, did try Scandal. I did not like it that much, but Enigma is the longest lasting, followed by Elysium, and then this one is like maybe perhaps cool weather, early cool weather, early winters. This is gonna do 6 hours plus. But in high heat, if you stay in the office, air conditioned situation, this will last you about 5 hours and half, on me at least. Okay, but the beautiful thing about this perfume, why you would wanna spend, is the quality blend is better. It's very very smooth. If you're wearing this with a suit and someone just passes you by, they get this whiffs of a very beautiful classy aroma, and the class, people can tell it's not a $10 cologne or $50 cologne. It's much more expensive, so it has that expensive smelling side to it. So I think it depends on you. I mean, if you ask me, you can get cheaper, you can get Sultan Vetiver. This is like a high class. This one would have a competition if Roja Dove EDP or the higher concentration, if I ever review it, perhaps this one will get some competition. Even Guerlain Vetiver is really good. I have Bellamy Vetiver, that is very beautiful. So some of these vetiver based perfumes, they are really really nice. So this is actually really classy, but if you just talk about performance, perhaps this is not worth it. If you're just buying this for performance, it won't satisfy your need. Okay, but this is gonna satisfy some people who are into Roja Dove, the brand awareness. Okay, if you just want to get this bottle in a collection, I mean, this one's gonna look definitely very royal. Okay, you cannot deny it. They give you very beautiful presentation. If they are charging a lot of money, they're also giving you beautiful presentation. So half for the presentation, half for the fragrance. But little bit more improvement room there, like room for improvement there when you're just talking about performance category. If it is like 7 hours, 6.5 or 7 hours, perhaps you're a bit greedy, but that would be perfect. That would be just great for summer. But I think this is a proper fall and spring scent. Okay, high heat summer, this is not gonna really last or project. I can think of what do you call Nishane. Like Nishane has some fragrances, they are more potent. Okay, for summer especially, like if you want to get not this vetiver but something in the line with like oolong cha or something, they are light like this cologne, like Ambra Calibria, but they last much longer. Okay, so that will be like around $80 to $100 for 50 ml. You get about the same value, but you spend less. Okay, so I don't think Roja Dove Vetiver cologne comes in any smaller bottle size. Pardon me if I'm wrong. So in the end of the day, this is, if your cash is not a problem, you can get this bottle. I think is prettier than their more expensive bottles. The smaller bottles don't have this coloration. I think they have a nice plate in front, like metal plate, more premium, and the cap is gonna be a little bit more posh. End of the day, I like the smell a lot, but if I'm gonna buy it or not, I'm not sure. I think I wanna buy the stronger concentration, the EDP, but the smell is really really nice. Overall, I'm giving this 8.5 out of 10. It's a solid Roja Dove fragrance, but if the price it's a concern, I think you should do look at some other fragrances. I would just give you very simple. If you just want to buy one vetiver fragrance on a budget, get this one, Guerlain Vetiver EDT. I'm not comparing them, but practicality wise, this is a longer lasting, much cheaper perfume for 100 ml. You get a banger of a fragrance. Okay, so yeah, it's, for me, it's a good fragrance. It's a try, not a pass, not a must buy. I like my other two, Elysium and Enigma, a little bit more, but this is right up there with the other good vetiver fragrance, definitely. So there you go, Roja Dove Vetiver Parfum Cologne. Thank you so much, Ali Bhai, for your loan. I really enjoyed looking at it, taking pictures as well. I'll take some pictures, but this is a beautiful bottle. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I will finish here and then hopefully watch the review and give it a try. Never blind buy anything, always try before you buy. Have a nice day. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.